Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to day 12 of our 12 days of Christmas series. I thank all of you who supported me by watching all my DIYs each day. And if you haven't done so, I will be sure to link the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for some Christmas inspiration. Now without further ado, let's get started.
For today's DIY, I'm using this dry fruit and nut box that I got, and I'm going to show you how to make large DIY prints inexpensively. So, this is the size of the box, and first I'm going to give it a couple coats of this white chalk paint. It did take a few coats to get it fully covered. And I did try using a little bit of white spray paint too. I use this bit of sponge to get the paint on the board.
After giving it multiple coats, this is how it looks. Next, I took a printout of the phrase Silent Night, Holy Night. I went to free fonts, I think it was the font, and I'll link the font I used in the description box below. I typed out Silent Night, Holy Night. And as you can see, this box is the exact size of an A4 sheet. So this was helpful. So next, I'm going to trace it out onto the board. I'm going to use a pencil and go over the lettering and then go over it in front so that I get a light tracing of it on the board, and then I'm going to write it up with the black sketch.
Since I had also used some white spray paint on the board, the sketch did not stick onto the places where the spray paint was. So I went over it with a black CD marker.
And that's it. My simple wall arts are ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.